Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So in this short video, we're going to explore more on layers. First of all, what is layer? Okay, when you draw something, either in AutoCAD or you draw manually, you're still going to have series of things to be add up later on. Okay, let's say you start with a plan, and then you're going from the plan, you're going to add several levels of floor for the building, for example. So, meaning if you want to have a systematic type of drawing, it's good to have several layers. For example, layer number 1 is for the ground floor. Layer number 2 for level number 1. And the list go on. Okay? So, same goes with AutoCAD. So, when you want to create a drawing, it's better to have a very systematic layers so that it will be easier for you to draw and to plot in the later stage. Okay, let's start by exploring layers in AutoCAD. Right, now I have my drawing. Layer is situated here. If you click under the pull down menu bar, you're going to see so many things. So here is the layer properties. Okay, let me go back. Okay, let's start how to, when you open a drawing, how you want to know that drawing have how many layers, right? So this is my drawing. So currently, if I click at the layer properties, it stated only one layer available, layer 0. Okay, this one is by default, right? So let me find one drawing, one AutoCAD drawing. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, I open. Okay, so this is example of a drawing, a building, right? Okay, so I want to know how many layers does this set of drawing have. Okay, so what I need to do is I click at the layer properties. There. Okay, now here this drop out, this menu you can move, right? So here under layer properties manager, you're going to see in this file it has 38 layers. Okay, so here the layers are named accordingly. Alright, that is about layer. Okay, now let's say from a single drawing, a fresh drawing, you want to create layers. Okay, how to do it? Alright, here click layer properties manager, and then up here you're going to see so many buttons. Okay, so actually you can create several. This is new layer. Okay, let's say I want to create 3 layers. Okay, so that's how you create a layer in a drawing. Alright, so now let's say you want to delete one of the layers. Okay, so okay, I have so many layers, I want to delete one of it. Okay, it's easy. Just click there, let's say layer number 3, and I click this one, delete layer. Okay, or in short form, you can click alternate and press D for delete. See, I delete once more. Yeah, I delete once more. So this one you cannot delete because this one is actually by default. So you cannot delete the the one added here, right? So there you have it. You know how to create a layer. Click this one, right? And you will know how to delete a layer. Okay. Now here under each layer you can rename it. Okay, how to rename your layer? Okay, simple. For example, for layer 1, I want to rename it to hardscape plan. Okay, I right click and then I select rename layer. So I will put, maybe not hardscape plan, maybe I put door. Okay, and then layer number 2, I want to rename it to rename layer. I want to rename it to maybe window. Okay, so this one is for building, right? Okay. Oh, sorry, I press escape. Once more. Window. Okay. Okay, and then maybe for the landscape part, let's say I want to put trees, layer of trees. I want to put maybe landscape at the outside of the building. All right, so there you have it. You know how to create a new layer, delete a layer, and now you know how to rename your layer. Right. So here, if you look further, you at each layer, you can actually put specific colors. Okay, for example, everything now all is in white. Okay, so let me maybe create for door, I want to change it to red color, right? So I just click red there, click OK. Right, and then the line for window, probably I want to use blue. Okay, and for the trees, probably I'm going to select green. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so currently you cannot see anything, but after this I will show you, right? So next to color, you have line type. So currently everything, the line is continuous. So you can actually select specific line type and even the line weight. This one is very important, especially in architecture, because doing graphic, so you have specific maybe line weight, okay, for the beams, for the walls and whatnot. Okay, so this one you can change it. How to change it? Okay, for example, I want to create a boundary line. Okay, a boundary of a side. Okay, so I create new. Okay, and then I want to change it into yellow color, and I want the line to be okay. How currently is continuous, so if I want to choose specific line type, I just click load. So here you have so many things, dash, dot, dash, double dash, dot, and whatnot. Okay, so I select border. Okay, click OK once more. So, oh, all right. Still. Okay, click this one. All right. Okay, so now the line type stated border. Okay, now that is how you create layer. Okay, how to delete, how to rename, how to put color to each specific layer, and the line type. Okay, now let's look at this this green tick. Okay, so what does this it means? Okay, the green tick means that is the current layer that is active. Okay, for example, let's say I put I want the boundary layer to be inactive now. So I click this one, and boundary is now the active layer. Okay, so let's try to draw. Okay, so here you see up there, if you scroll down, you can have so many things. Just now we have our boundary layer, door, trees, and windows. Okay, so now it is in boundary. Okay, I want to start drawing. Okay, something. So you can see my line now is in dotted. Okay, okay, I enlarge a little bit so you can see the dash line. Okay, because I select specifically for boundary, the line is in dash, right? Okay, so let's say this is your boundary of your side, and you know you have let's say this is your side. Okay, so that's about it. Okay, that is my side, and now I want to draw something else. I want to draw a trees. Okay, so I will not draw at boundary layer, so I will draw at trees. Okay, so probably I will start to create my shape of tree. Okay, here you see my trees are in continuous line compared to the boundary line. Okay, the boundary, the one that I selected at the layer properties manager, it is the boundary is in the border. It is have dash. Okay, so the rest is all continuous line. Okay, once more. Okay, so here you can start to use other type of tool. For example, copy. Okay, so I can copy my trees and I can start arranging the one that that I like. Okay, right. Okay, so there I have my layers and the colors and whatnot. Okay, so let's say, okay, now it is door, but let's say imagine it is a building. I mean a wall of a building, so it is now in red. Okay, so there you have it.